What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. We got the trailer from the rental company hooked up and we're going to pick up a BMW 7 Series for a client. Not a major rebuild. I think the engine hasn't been running for 2 years now. So we are going to make it run so our client can do the rest of the build. So after a drive of 1 hour, we got the Bimmer finally in the shop. Now we're going to check all the fluids before we are trying to start it. So we try to check the basics. Does it have fuel? Does it have spark? It's not visible on the camera, but it does have spark, but it doesn't get any fuel to the main fuel rail. So that's something we need to figure out. Maybe it's the alarm, or maybe it's just a broken fuse or relay maybe. So that's what we're going to check now. Okay guys, so we noticed that the fuel pump wasn't running when it was on ignition. We removed the relay and made a pass through, and as soon as you pass through the relay, you can hear the fuel pump. So hopefully it will run now. So we passed by the fuel pump relay and then we noticed that there's a big major gas leak in one of the lines underneath the inlet manifold. So what we're going to do now is put the Bimmer up in the air and see what hose is broken or something like that, and otherwise we need to remove the inlet manifold. Okay guys, we found a major leak in one of the hoses underneath the inlet manifold, which need to be changed. So we need to take off the complete inlet manifold now. Okay, at least we found one problem. As you can see, the whole fuel hose has corroded. Or maybe it's not even a fuel hose, I guess. Otherwise it wouldn't look like this. Okay guys, luckily we found a way to remove the old fuel hose without taking the complete inlet manifold off. We installed a brand new fuel hose, so now we need to put everything back again and see if she will fire now. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday we struggled for a very long time to get this engine running, but unfortunately it starts, but after 2 seconds the engine dies. So we did some research out on the internet. Also had a little bit of contact with some of the Bimmer specialists here in Holland. They told me that it's probably the injection module. So that's something that we're going to check. Okay guys, so we got the control module out. Now we're going to open it to check if maybe something is corroded on the inside. From checking this, we don't get much wiser, so we need to get this checked by the professionals. Okay guys, we're a few days down the road, so we got the computer out of the BMW, and unfortunately it doesn't allow any current. We checked everything, we even used our voltmeter to check all the wiring, and unfortunately it turns out that the computer has gone bad. We need to find a new computer for this BMW 7 Series. With that being said guys, this is the end of this video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Hopefully see you guys in the next video, and thank you for all the love and support. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.